Hey, it's Josh from Chantel Ray Way, and today I'm going to show you how to add an email to your contact list so you don't miss out on any of the emails someone might be sending you. Make sure you hit subscribe down below and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any new Chantel Ray Way videos. Let's get into the tutorial.
Great. So let's say that you get an email from us. It should look something like this on behalf of Chantel Ray. That's from our email service that we use. So what you'll do is you'll hover over our name and then click on this little icon right here and click on Add to Contacts. And then it should take you to something that looks like this. And you'll basically just add, questions to Chantel Ray Way, Chantel Ray, hit Create. And that will help to make sure that you actually get the emails that we spent, especially for the Fasting Reset Summit, so you can access it. Another thing you can do on Gmail as well, if you hover over the person's contact, it's slightly different on mobile, but if you hover over the contact, you click on Add to Contacts, and you do that, and it'll add that email address to your contacts, so you should be able to get the emails that are sent from those services providers. So that's how you update your email to add people to your contacts.